Hey everyone, this is Neha Tankha. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. So today here I am for yet another energy update for you all. This is going to resonate with majority of the people who are going through a no contact situation or a separation situation. Let's see what is going to happen in their love life. And before I proceed, do not forget to like, share, follow me here. Do not forget to subscribe if you're a cross watcher. And by the way, guys, just stay tuned because by the end of this particular video, I am going to tell you the spell work as well, which is going to help you come back with your partner again. Let's see what is their energy. And before I proceed, connect to my energies by liking this particular video, and let's see, drop I claim in the comment section and let's see what your person's current energies are. Just center yourself, take 3 deep breaths, and we already have the cards here. We have the wheel of fortune that tells me that something has come to an end, an idea, a perception about somebody that you were holding from a very, very, very long time. But something tells me that there is something in this particular connection which maybe in a situation may have been bothering you from a very long time, has come to an end. Probably there was a lot of negativity in your particular connection which has now ended, and all of a sudden it seems like your person is coming forward towards you with a commitment. So guys, in case if you've been waiting and watching and asking yourself when is it that you are going to receive the much awaited commitment or the offer or the proposal from your person, then the time is now. I see a strong, very strong marriage proposal coming forward towards you. I do see that there was an ending. Somebody got something done, a spell work done on your person, maybe a past person or somebody from their family may have got some spell work done, because of which you guys may have been into a lot of fights and there was a separation that started between you and your person. But all of a sudden that particular spell work effects are going away and they are slowly, gradually marching towards you, coming forward towards you with a marriage proposal. A very, very, very strong proposal is on the horizon. I do see in upcoming May itself, this very month itself, I see that there is a very strong, a very, very, very strong marriage proposal itself is going to come, or maximum another 10 days in the first week of June. I see that happening. In case if you haven't got any spell work for the protection of your relationship or any third party was involved, I do see that there was a spell work that was done to break the marriage, to break the connection that you guys had, and that is why they were, not coming forward towards you. So in case if you haven't got the spell work done, then now guys is the right time when you can get it done from me. You can go for the negativity removal or the hexes removal, and in case if there is a third party, then third party removal spell work here. If you want to fast track the marriage commitment, if you want your person to come forward towards you and propose you marriage, then you can go for 7 days marriage commitment as well. I do see it can be the mother, it can be the sister, or some negative lady figure. I do see in case if there was no third party situation as well and nobody else was influencing your person, I do see that you are very clear in your mind. Okay, you know what you want and you are looking for a stable connection, something that is going to give you a lot of stability in life, something which is going to give you a lot of commitment, stability and clarity as to where this particular connection is going forward in your life. So I do see that there are a lot many things which are now in the month, in the current month itself, are the negativity which is going to get over, and you are going to come out of this situation in a win-win situation. Okay, you're going to come out with a lot of clarity. The high priestess tells me that somewhere down the line you were already intuitively aware that this particular connection is not just a connection but a lot more. Okay, it was just not a connection but a lot more, and intuitively you know that where this connection is headed towards. With the with the ace of swords, again I do see that somewhere down the line In case if there was something wrong with the communication, and and you were waiting for the communication to come, so now is the time when the communication is going to come forward. The channel of communication is now going to open up, and this person is going to reach out to you. It is only and only because of the fear of the third party that this person was not reaching out to you. In case again if there was not a third party, then there were a lot of fears and phobias and obsessive compulsive behavior, because of which they were keeping away to commit to you. All right, and they were juggling whether they should or whether they should not. All in all, they know that you are the one for them. They really they are working hard upon them, on themselves, on their thought process. They are telling themselves that right now you don't have to be emotional, you have to be practical, because they cannot get somebody better than you, and you are the one for them. And they totally understand that. They are making themselves understand and very well aware of the entire situation, that you are the one for them, and they should actually come ahead and propose to you, be with you, and stop the juggle, because no one else compared to you is better. They are missing you so badly. They are going through back and forth the entire relationship, the time that you guys have spent together. They do understand that you're very caring, very nurturing. You're somebody that they want to spend the life with. And with the Knight of Wands, they can't stay away from you. They are already planning a comeback, guys. I would not be surprised if you just come back to me after watching this particular video and tell me that, Neha, they are back just when I watched this particular video. Within 24 to 48 hours, or max to max, okay, max to max, within 12 days, this person seems to be coming back towards you, in case if you haven't started the conversation yet. Okay, because I see negativity getting over. Whatever was stuck and up in the air will all start moving in the positive and the right direction, and I see that happening. And I see things moving in the right channel and in the right direction for you. Something also tells me that this is also a karmic connection, so you guys were supposed to pay off the karmic debts first in order to be with each other together. I do see seven of pentacles. Something tells me that there was a lot of wait before this connection materialized, or this connection actually came in the light, or this actually materialized in the right direction. Okay, that is the marriage commitment and all. And you have put in a lot of hard work and effort. Your person has also done that. But there was something tells me that because of the karmic debts and karmic connection, I do see that there was a lot of frustration, delays, and a lot of wait and a lot of hard work that went into this particular connection. And you were patient, you were waiting. And something tells me that there was a lot of confusion you and your person was dealing with, because you wanted a commitment, and your person was stuck whether they can or they cannot. But here they come in a very light-hearted way. They are going to commit to you, they are going to come forward towards you. And with the Fool card, I do see that they are going to demand, not ask you, propose to you, but they are going to demand a very very fresh start. I do see that this person is somebody who likes to control, and who likes to work according to what they want. And now they are going to come back. They are going to have a new beginning, and they are going to balance the particular connection with you. And you are going to feel very very happy because of that. You have got some spell work done, and those spell work are actually showing you the effects. If you got it done from me or from someone else, doesn't matter. I do see that the effects are showing right now. And if you haven't, then your this card is an indication and your sign that right now it's the time when you should get it done. In case if you want a reconciliation of that person getting obsessed and a commitment of marriage from this person, then now is your time when you should get the spell work done. You can book a 21 days love combo, and trust me guys, if that is not going to help, nothing else will help you out in that situation. Okay, if it is there, it is meant to be, then my spell works are the one of the best spell work, and that is going to help you get what you really want. The Hermit tells me that this person or you may have gone into a mode wherein you were introspecting a lot, or they were introspecting a lot, but now all of a sudden this person will appear in your life out of impulse. Just stay cautious, because I do see when they are going to make an appearance in your life in a light-hearted manner, you may feel a little impulsive, and you may feel like fighting and questioning them. That will not go in the right direction, because they are going to run away again. So you need need to handle it with care when they actually appear in your life. If you don't handle them with care, if you don't speak to them nicely and in a mature way, if you push, you will push them away again. Okay, so I am going to leave it in your hands, and you are somebody who's wise, I'm sure. And with the death card, I again feel that somewhere down the line, there is a transformation which is occurring right now in your connection, a strong transformation that is happening in your connection. And with that strong transformation, I do see that this person is realizing, and whatever space they took at that point of time and went away from this connection, now they are coming back. They are feeling that grounded energy, that stability, and that secure energy coming from you, and they realize that you are the one for them, and they want to have a life with you, the Empress. They want to be with you, your wife, your husband, or whatsoever, but they want to have a family with you. This is such a beautiful, beautiful reading, guys. In this particular situation, if this resonates with you, to fast track the entire thing, you can go ahead with a 21 days love comment. Trust me, guys, if that is not going to work for you, nothing else will. Trust me for that. All right. So I'm going to see you next again with the reading. In case if you are looking for a personalized tailored session and for more insights, you can hit me up on my Instagram or on my WhatsApp number. The details are mentioned in the description box below. Bye bye.